As a scheduler in the PMW environment, you will be asked to create reports that captures clients' needs. This lesson explains how to create an execution report in the Reports tab in Microsoft Project. The content in this lesson was created by the scheduling team at FRD 200. We will show you how to create an execution report with just 5 steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the info page in Microsoft Project. Click on Global Organizer. In Organizer, click Reports, click on Execution Report. Click Copy. This will copy the execution report in the file of your choosing. Step 2. Do the same with all custom fields highlighted in blue shown in the example of this lesson, which are shown as number 3, number 10, duration in days, plan % complete, PLND %, and task status. Copy custom fields into the file of your choosing. Step 3. Once the execution report and custom fields are copied in the Microsoft Project file, insert all 6 custom field columns shown as number 3, number 10, duration in days, plan % complete, PLND %, and task status in the Microsoft Project file. If you encounter an error, check the custom field. Right-click on the column showing the error, select Custom Field. Ensure Formula and Use Formula are selected. Step 4. Check that the status date, found under the Project Ribbon tab, reflects the same date as the version of the Microsoft Project file you are working in. Step 5. After the task status date has been changed, the execution report can be found in the Report ribbon. Click Custom and choose Execution Report. In closing, if done properly, the execution report will show as it does below. Manually changing the colors in both the task start indicator graph as well as the plan % complete versus % work complete chart is necessary.